Hello, this is my another video, and in this video I'll show you this freaking crazy package and also a really special package. This package took like 2 or nearly 3 years to arrive. I mean, it was sent through an Internet Explorer or something. But finally it's here after a long time, and it's a package from Poland.
I patrzę przez okno, mówię, a tu patrzcie co za skubany, chomik.
Let's unbox this package. I can't wait to unbox it. So yeah, let's cut this paper. Nice.
Disappointed!
Why is it a RoboVac box? Wait a minute. It is a box from that goddamn S7 that burned out on me. Well, anyways, let's hope there's not an S7 in this. We've got a box. Let's open it, I guess. Here's a little tab. Let's open this. And there's nothing really. Oh my goodness! Wow! Look at this! I freaking love this! Okay, so let me tell you something more about this. This is from a guy that runs channel Roomba Robot Restorations. His name is Kermit, and he's so goddamn amazing. He makes these Roomba plushies. And look at this, it even has this little side brush. Yeah, this is the model 555 because I just like it. It's my favorite Roomba. It's like iconic to me, you know. So this is so goddamn awesome. I love this. Thank you. It even has this like little tab. But wow, look at the design. Like, wow. I love it. This is so goddamn great. We've got another thing, and wow. This is awesome. This is an art. As you can see, there are some like yellow robots. Those are called Spots, and they are made by Boston Dynamics. Spot is an industrial four-legged robot, and I absolutely adore it because it's just so freaking amazing. It's an awesome piece of technology, and yeah, it's my dream to have one of these. But anyways, thank you so much, Kermit, for this. This is looking so goddamn awesome. Wow. I have to hang this somewhere up on my walls so I can see it like every day. This looks... wow. Well, I'm speechless. I mean, look at this. I adore it. I love it. Thank you so much, Kermit, for this. Let's keep unboxing. We've got some more things. And yes! Hello! Wow! I see there's a bin. Wow! This is awesome. Come out. Let's put this S7 box to a side. Let's assemble this. And hey yo! Original robot vacuum fans may know this as a Roomba Sage. This one is a model 5105, it's the European model, and I still don't have one of these, and I really wanted one because, as you may already know, I do have, for example, the Roomba Red, and you know, in general, these 400 series Roombas look just so pretty nice. Look how white the buttons are compared to my Roomba Red. These are like completely yellow. Yeah, see. And these are like nice and white. It's in really nice shape, and wow. Kermit made an entire restoration video about this Roomba, and you can definitely check it out on his channel. I'll post a link down below the video, so definitely go check it out. Definitely give him a subscribe because he deserves it. His videos are awesome and I love his creations, what he does with his robots. He knows how to paint like everything, he knows how to design things. He's incredible. He also put his like little sticker in there, so everyone knows it has been restored by Roomba. Thank you, Kermit, so much for everything. Something like this has never happened to me before, you know. I'm stunned, I'm speechless, and well, you know what, let's get a battery and let's power this thing on and see how it runs. I think I should have a working brand new battery for a Roomba 400 series. I think that's it. And I hope it's charged up for at least a little. Here's a box for you. Oh, it's a grey one. Nice. And yeah, here we go. And let's hit clean. 3, 2, 1, go.
Every 4 computers now have primary control of critical vehicle functions.
Amazing. Come here. No, that's a, no. There was the camera. Now let's try Spot. Spot. Yes, I mean, this runs really smoothly and I would say perfectly, without no problems at all. Like it should, of course, like it has been restored by a professional, you know. Yeah, so this is the Roomba Sage 5105. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I did, and please do me a favor. If you're now subscribed to my channel, or even if you're not, please go right now on Kermit's channel, Roomba Robot Restorations, and please give him a subscribe because he deserves it. His channel is amazing. I love his content, I love what he does, and I mean he just deserves it, I would say even more than I do. So yeah, please subscribe to his channel, and yeah, thank you Kermit so much for this. Thank you really much. I can't be happy enough. It's just awesome. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.